What's up, you guys? Francis Aboganya here today, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make $1,000 fast, and you can do this wherever you are in the world. I'm currently going to meet a client and I still have like 30 minutes left on my schedule, so I just said I should make this quick video. Actually walking on the roadside. You know how Abuja is. This is Central Area. If you're familiar with Abuja, you know how Central Area is. I love Abuja a lot because of the weather, and this Harmattan period tends to be a little bit dry. I've noticed that so many companies, when you go to their website, you will discover that they don't actually have they don't have a company brochure, like a video brochure on their website, or they don't have a video brochure like they use for promotion and for advert. I'm sorry, I'm by the roadside. There is going to be noise everywhere. Abuja, you can see there's cars passing everywhere, so there's going to be noise and distraction, so sorry about that. If you can hear me, no. So if you can hear me, that would be cool. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry about that. So first things first, I've noticed that so many companies don't have videos. They don't have video profile where they talk about their company and their brand. When you go to their website, you see their About Us and some other pages on their website, but they don't have a video of it. So you're going to be creating like a video of those company profiles, because some of them don't have a video on their website, which is what you're actually going to be doing for them. You're going to be creating it and selling it to them. Now you can do this for multiple companies, right? You can do this for multiple. You can do this for like 5, 10, 15 or 20 companies. So many of them don't have this, so you can create a company brochure for them and pitch it to them. The first step, what you should do is you go to this website. You can pick 10 websites or 10 companies in your local environment and 10 companies online that you're going to be creating this company profile for, video profile that talks about their company on video. You're going to be picking like 10 online and 10 in your local environment that you're going to be working with. Then you're going to go to their website and pick everything you know about them, their About Us, and what their brand is all about, and you're going to be pretty much just do audits for their company. Pick like 20, do like an audit that you're going to be working with. What you're going to be doing in step 2 is go to videohive.net. There's flies here. Go to videohive.net. Videohive is part of the Envato market, where you can buy template, After Effects template. Now you're going to be buying a template ranging between $30 to $60. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can purchase the template from Videohive. Now you go, when you get to Videohive, you buy a template ranging between $30 to $60. Just type in company profile or company brochure, and different templates, AE templates, After Effects templates are going to pop up, right? So you're going to be purchasing one. If you don't have money to purchase any template, just Google free AE templates that has to do with company brochure. You're going to be seeing some of them, but I recommend you purchase a template so it will be cool and professional. There's so many other platforms where you can do this apart from After Effects, but I recommend After Effects because it is a professional software and it's going to make the video look very, very professional and good. Then if you can edit the videos yourself, if you can edit the template, what you're going to be doing pretty much is just to edit their name, change the logo, change some pictures, and change some video in the template. The template already has everything. You're just going to change some things right there. Okay, if you can't edit them yourself, you can look for somebody on Fiverr or Upwork to get it done for you, or somebody around you that knows how to work with After Effects. You can look for somebody that can do this and edit it for you. Or if you want to do it yourself, you can watch some tutorials on YouTube and learn how to edit them yourself. I also did some of these things on YouTube by myself. So YouTube, you can also do it for yourself as well. You're going to be using that same template to duplicate for multiple brands, right? But keep in mind, you have to keep their brand, stay consistent with their branding, their colors, their fonts, and all that for maybe like the 10 or 20 companies you're going to be working with. After creating these video files, they're going to be like a video file. They can be like 1 to 3 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes and all that, or 30 seconds. You're just pretty much going to be explaining what their company is all about. After producing the video files, you can put your watermark on it, maybe like your name or like a logo, then send it to this company or pitch it to this company for them to purchase it for around $200 to $500. Now if you're selling about 5 of this product, which cost around $200 each, if you're selling about 5, then you're making $1,000. If you can sell them for $500 or $1,000, then you're making more. So all you have to do is just to rinse and repeat the process. For multiple companies out there, there's so many companies that needs this, they don't even know they need it, right? So this can also help you get your foot in the door by creating ads for them, by creating video adverts for them, by running their Facebook ad, their Instagram ad and all that, because you are providing value to these companies, and also you are making money right off the bat. You can pretty much start this with no money at all. All you have to do is just implement the strategies I just talked about right here. If you want me to do more videos in terms of this, you can let me know, and I'm going to do more videos in terms of this, maybe an in-depth tutorial on this as well that you can use to make money ASAP for yourself. Also, another way I recommend you can make money is through affiliate marketing. I have a link in the description, the first link in the description. Just click it to download the free ebook. It's all about affiliate marketing, step by step, to get you started. Marketing is one major area you need to focus on when starting out online, or when starting out any business, both online and offline as well. You watch this video right here and subscribe right here. Until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.